Google I'm extremely predictable. So here are my natural part oozing all over my skin before curing. So what I do to prevent that is I flip my finger over and I smooth the underneath it to my liking with my tip cutters, and I move on to the next. And now I'm going to stop talking for a while and just allow you to enjoy this process until we get to my thumb. this is where the real magic happens. So listen, I know that the nails currently have a beautiful shine to them from the dual forms, and you may find it unnecessary to file that shine away, but listen to me when I tell you that it is a necessary evil to get immaculate, even nails. The sides of the nails, as smooth as they appear, actually kind of have some uneven ridges that you can physically feel when you run your fingers along them, and the cuticle area of the nails needs to be filed down so that it's perfectly smooth. Yes, the dual forms give you the perfect nail shape, and yes, it is tempting to just put the top coat over the already shiny nails, but if you can get past having to remove that hypnotizing shine, I think you'll really love how even and smooth the nails will look in the end. As I'm doing this, I have my dust collector underneath me to collect any excess dust that would otherwise end up in my lungs, which, to be honest, is nowhere near as bad as dip powder. It's an absolute dream in comparison. Further to filing and shaping my nails, I'm taking my Kiss e-file and admire my fresh manicure. Since I did this set, I've been catching myself just sitting here admiring these nails. I can't stop staring at them. I can't believe I did that myself, and you can do it yourself too. I know that I already stressed this in the beginning of the video, but I am so excited to finally get this up. As you guys know, my nail videos take me the longest to create because I'm a psycho perfectionist and I want to pack them with as much information as possible. So I really hope that this was worth the wait for you guys and that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. I absolutely love this kit, so let me know if you want more polygel videos from me. I'm gonna do separate videos discussing removal, how to do a fill, and I think I'm also gonna do a video after this using the polygel with paper forms, so stay tuned for that. As always, all of the products that I use will be listed in the description box below. Thank you guys very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing and staying subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one. Okay, love you, bye.